If you love shrimp and grits, well, then you're going to want to make this recipe. It's really quick and simple. Okay, well, grits are never quick, but they are simple. So I love about 4-to-1 ratio to make grits, and that is 4 liquid to 1 grit. So what I mean by that, and I love 2 different types of liquid. I like a little bit of dairy, so we're going to take milk, and we're going to take some chicken stock. And you could vary these up quite a bit. So what you're going to want to do is heat up that liquid. And when it gets really good and hot and starts to simmer, be careful, you don't want milk to start boiling because it'll scald the bottom. So once it gets really good and hot, very slowly, you're going to want to add your grits into the pan. Once this simmers, you're going to want to lower the heat quite a bit. So I have some that have been cooking here for almost an hour. It's been about somewhere between 45 minutes and 55 minutes. And these are almost ready. They don't have any flavor yet though. So I'm going to do 2 things at once. I'm going to cook some shrimp for the top. So let's add a little bit of salt and pepper to the grits. I'm going to add a little bit of butter. Okay, not so little. About 2-3 tablespoons, let's do 2, of butter into the grits, but I'm also going to throw a tablespoon of butter over there for the shrimp. To that pan, I'm also going to add the tiniest little trickle of olive oil just for flavor. So right now we have about a tablespoon of olive oil and a tablespoon of butter in there. Here's some beautiful shrimp. I'm just going to go ahead and add the shrimp to the pan. And they are gorgeous, big Florida shrimp. And you're going to want to season them with salt and pepper like you did to your grits. Now, to the shrimp, I'm going to add a little pinch of cayenne pepper. To the grits, I'm going to add some of my favorite hot sauce. Beautiful. And then finally, I've got some gorgeous aged white cheddar that I'm going to add to the grits. All right, I'm ready to put this into a bowl. Go ahead and spoon as much or as little of these cheese grits, and then of course, with the shrimp, I would probably say about 3/4 shrimp would be just perfect in a serving of grits of that size. Let's finish it with just a little touch of hot sauce right over the top. There we go. And there you have it, my friends. A delicious plate of soul-kissing, I can't even imagine what kind of a warm hug this is, shrimp and grits.